for attending this session. And the next 1 hour will be a beautiful one because we are going to rock it. So we are going to express our ideas. Okay, and Deepak sir, you have raised your hand. Do you have any query? Do you want to speak anything? Deepak sir?
Actually, Suresh sir, that was mistake. Actually,
Okay, no issue, no issue. Okay, thank you. And okay, okay, here, shall we, Pradeep bro?
yes, sir. You can start
Yeah.
now.
Okay, the session would be 1 hour, only 1 hour, 8:30 to 9:30. Already it's 8:35, no issue. We'll start the session now. So let me explain the rules. So actually, I have some posters and videos here with me. Listen to me carefully. I have some posters and videos here. I will show you. And before going to that, I'll ask you to select one number from 1 to 10. Each aspirant has to select one number from 1 to 10. Okay? Later, I will show you the video or any other poster, any other picture. After that, Pavani ma'am will take a card. Ma'am, could you please show your cards? One, yeah, show all. Yes, one, two. Okay, shuffle them, ma'am. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, madam will show one card, and the person who has selected that number, that particular person has to unmute his video and as well as audio, and he has to speak for next 1 minute on that particular topic or video, on the particular poster or video. I hope you understood. Okay, again I'm going to explain. We are 15 now, so we two are hosts. So remaining 13 people have to select one number from 1 to 10. Then I will play one video or I will show one picture. Later on, Pavani madam will take one card among 10. She has 10 cards with her. And she shows one card to us. If she shows number 4, the person who has selected number 4, he has to unmute and he has to speak on that particular topic, otherwise particular video for 1 minute. Okay, so through this session, spontaneously we speak, and we are not sure that whom are going to present his views. This is like a interesting one. Definitely we can enjoy it. Okay, Pavani ma'am, are you ready, ma'am?
Yes, sir, ready.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you very much. And before going to ask you to take a number, I'll write down the numbers first. I'll write down the names and as well as their numbers. Okay? I'll call one by one. Please give me any number from 1 to 10. Bala bro?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening, Bala bro. Thank you very much. Please give me any number from 1 to 10.
Yes, sir. 6, sir.
Otherwise, you can write on chat box. I can note it down.
Okay. 6.
6. Thank you.
Yes.
Devi bro?
3.
Thank you. 3. ANTTAL, Antal, I think. Sorry if I pronounce wrong. Could you please unmute?
Mohan has taken 5.
Mohan, yeah. Mohan 5. Yeah, thank you. Okay, Sagar 11. No, Sagar, you should select from 1 to 10 itself.
Manisha 7.
Manisha 7.
Yes.
Sagar, select any other.
This is Vikas, sir. 8.
Yeah, sir.
Kavita 9. Sagar 8.
Sir, Sonakshi Singh 10.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
Sonakshi 10. Yeah, thank you. And
Sorry.
Shubhangi 7.
Uh, Subhangi 7. Manisha is okay.
Could you please help me? Vikas bro 5.
Siddharth Singh sir, 1.
Siddharth 1. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, remaining people. Mohsin, please select any one number from 1 to 10. And Mohan sir, Mohan
Mohan sir has taken 5.
5.
Anna, good evening, Anna.
Yeah, good evening, Mohsin.
My number 6, Anna. 6.
Number 6, Mohsin. Yeah, thank you. And
Kavita 9.
yeah, ma'am, I have written 9. Manisha, could you please? Manisha Ja.
Yeah, yeah,
Manisha
7.
7.
7.
And we have still slot of 2 and 4. Nobody has taken. So
Anchal, okay, no issue. Anchal,
four.
AM.
Hello.
Yeah,
Prakhar here.
Prakharji,
4.
number 4. Okay. Okay, fine. And okay, Sonakshi, because okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Pradeep bro,
I will
you,
take 2. 2.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Just I'm going to read out all these. Please listen to me once. Bala Pro 6,
Yes.
Devi Bro 3, Mohan 5, Manisha 7, Kavita Ma'am 9, Antal ANTTAL. I think okay, we have missed him. And Sonakshi 10. Shubhangi, what's your number? Shubhangi?
Sir, it's 7.
7. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And Vikas 5, Siddharth 1, Mohsin 6, Prakhar 4, and Pradeep Bro 2, number 2. Okay, thanks. Thanks for that. And okay, so now we have selected numbers. Now we are ready to give our presentation. Okay, that's really great. Pawni ma'am, please be ready. First, I'll show. Bala bro, could you please mute your video audio? Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Whenever your turn comes, definitely you should turn on your video and as well as audio, because whenever we turn on our video, our presentation would be really superb. Okay. We have Anchal bro again. Could you please tell me one number? And even Shailesh bro.
Sales bro, just take a number from 1 to 10.
Yeah.
8.
8. Thank you, bro. And Anchal. Anchal, something I'm pronouncing wrong, I think. Okay, could you please select any number? Otherwise, we will ask you to speak in the last. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Now I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, just allow me for 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, I'm going to share my screen. Just please watch the video. Everybody has to watch. Later on, Pawni ma'am will select one number. But first of all, everybody has to pay her or his concentration in watching the video or looking at the picture. Okay. So here, this is my screen. Okay. And okay. Okay, now, first of all, it's a video. Just watch it carefully. Okay. It's a small video. but it has a lot of meaning. Okay. Pavani ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please select any number among 10.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. 6. That is 6. So, Bala bro, really great. Bala bro and
Yes.
yeah, sir. 1 minute. Followed by Mohsin. Mohsin, you will be shown another picture. You do not click on that. Okay. Next. Okay. Bala bro,
Yes, sir.
you have to speak for 1 minute. 1 minute on the given picture. Your time starts now.
Okay, sir. I'm talking now. I see that videos. Most of people they that pictures in. I think 6 members in. They want to take food from that place. Everyone take that food, but someone stopped that, and he took food and then give to each people one by one. It will help to it mention we serve people each and every one. We serve to all together. It means we live in together in the world. Uh, yes, sir. That's all from my side, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Bala bhai. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It was a great speech in just 50 seconds. This is not at all easy, because Devi bro, do you want to speak anything?
No,
Yes.
the speech he was given, it is like thumbs up.
Yeah,
Thank you.
and we are very fortunate enough because our stage session started with the kind person, Bala bro. I'm very
Yes.
happy. Thank
Yes. KJF also conduct this program, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, and Mohsin, spontaneously, I'll show you one picture. Okay, I don't know which was that, but I'll share my screen here. I'm taking one picture. Oh, I request you to please mute your audio.
Bala bhai, Devi bhai, please mute your audio. Devi bhai.
Yeah. Okay, and you, Pradeep bro and Pavani ma'am, you both are co-hosts so that you can also mute them. Okay, Mohsin, this is your picture.
Okay, sure, Anna.
Yeah. Now, I'm going to start your timer and you have to speak for 1 minute on that. Your
Okay,
time.
sure, Anna.
Yeah, Mohsin, carry on.
Anna, which picture I didn't see, Anna?
Oh, sorry. Wait a minute. I'll show you again. Yeah. Did you see Mohsin?
Yeah, I see, Anna. I see in the picture.
Yeah.
I saw.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Your time starts now.
So I have seen a picture that a baby, she disabled 2 legs, but she is ready to run. She is ready to start a run. She is on track, but she couldn't afraid. Just she is enthusiastic that I could run myself. So this is appreciable to her. We have good physical and as well as mentally fit, but some people just hesitate. They do not come to ground field. But a little girl, we need to learn so many things from that girl. The great courageous, the great contestant, she learned a lot and she fights and she confident that build up her starts on track. Just she is full confidence that I will be able to run. I will be able to get.
Yeah, Mohsin.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Thank
This
you,
is a
bro.
great quality we have. Really great it is. We have a really great quality. So if we are really committed, disability doesn't stop us. So As Mohsin said, we all are fit, but our mindset is not strong. That's the reason we are being stopped by many simple and silly reasons. Okay. Anyhow, thank you, Mohsin. It's a really amazing speech in 1 minute. Thank you very much. Okay, and we have completed with number 6. Next, I'm going to share one picture or video. Please watch. Okay. Okay. It's again a video.
Video is not visible.
Yeah. I'm trying. I think you have watched it. If you have any doubts, you can watch again. Can anyone read out the comment over there? Can anyone read out?
May I?
Yeah, please.
Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take a moment and make it perfect.
Yeah, that's what we are doing in our spoken English group, right? So
Yes.
we are taking every moment and we are trying to make it perfect. That's really true. And Bhavani ma'am, take one card, please. Yeah, number 3. Yes, Devi bro. Amazing, excellent topic you got. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah,
Let me share. Let me select timer actually. Okay. Yeah, your time starts now.
Yeah, and first of all, thank you for Suresh and family, bro, for making this session happen. And I see many people are joined. So thank you for that. And based on your video, what you have shown, I could see that the one lion, it is waited, and for the perfect timings or perfect moment. But one more is taken a rush decision or in a hurry decision, and is like caught in between, and it is the end of that lion story. So similarly in our life we will get many moments in our life. The one moment is not the end, so we'll get many opportunity, but we have to wait for the perfect moment. But how we know that moment is perfect? So there is we need some time to think what will happen for next, and what happened in past. So based on, we know, right, there is one proverb that we should learn from past. So based on this experience, we should wait for the perfect moment, or I can say that we, for one, in my professional experience, we should learn or we should be strong in any subject, then only we should go for interview. So within some luck, we cannot happen every time. Yeah, that's it, bro.
You're in mute, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, Devi bro, really it's great.
Thank you.
Yeah. And can anyone give feedback?
Okay. Suresh bhai, just I want to speak something on this picture also.
I'm asking.
Regarding the group. Why? Because there are many people who are just waiting someone will come and teach them. So that is not going to happen, because this is a moment you have to capture it. There are many people who are just capturing it, so you have to also capture it. Because as Devi Bhai mentioned, actually I am just thinking opposite of Devi Bhai. Actually what I realize, if you are waiting for a perfect moment, so you are not going to get. You have to make it perfect, because there are two things. No, one is just sitting waiting for someone come alone, then I capture. And again we can say someone is just running behind that and just capture that moment. So actually my thinking can be different, because every coin has two sides. So Devi Bhai is speaking on one side, I am speaking other side. So same in group also, because here there are many members who are just thinking someone will come and force them to please come forward and speak. So that is not going to happen. You have to come forward and you have to make it perfect.
Yes.
Otherwise, you have to still wait for sometimes. So this is my view. Actually, just okay.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Thank
very
you. Yeah.
David bro, really excellent it is. And even Pradeep bro, thank you very much, because yeah, really your words are beautiful. Okay, thank you everyone. Please watch the next one. Okay, here we have one picture, and it has been showing some message. Okay, please look at that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Pawni ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Please take one card, ma'am.
Actually, Suresh bhai, your
Sir, we
picture is
cannot
not
say.
visible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Image was not
Okay.
visible.
Yeah. Okay, let me share again. Sorry, actually, there is a problem. Okay, let me show it again. Can you see now?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Some people are going through a book, and their posture, their dress, their atmosphere, their looking style, and their haircut, everything is being changed. Okay. And yes, Pawni ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Number 4, who has selected? Prakharji.
Prakhar, a really great speaker.
Yeah.
Prakhar.
Ah,
Yeah,
First of
Prakhar.
all, a very good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Myself, Prakhar. I'm from Delhi. And as the picture shows us, that a good book can change your life. Books are the bestest friend of anyone. They can even change your life in many ways, and good as well as the bad ways. Because books are those things which will be with you when you are alone, and it will be with you when you are with anyone. It can make everything happen. It can create positive impact on the society. You can take many knowledges and a great amount of knowledge from any book. It will give you experience or a knowledge, but never make you regret that why you have read this book. So we have to make a time in our busy schedule that which book we are going to prefer to read in our daily schedule, because one page a day keeps the devils away. It's my concept of reading any book. So thank you everyone for patient listening.
Great, bro. Great. It
Thank you
is.
everyone.
Yeah, really, it is good. And whatever Prakar bro said, those are 100% true. We cannot be regret for reading book. This is really true, because definitely we will get much knowledge, and especially I learned many things from this group. And Ashu, one of our best partakers, advised me to read this book. You can see this. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's a really a very good
Yes.
book.
Yes. Only I bought it by taking suggestion from Ashu. So this is worthy. Really great it is.
Even you should prefer The Secret. It is also a very great book.
Yes.
Sorry for the interrupting. Anna, could you show that book?
Yeah. How to win friends.
Thank you, Anna.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Prakharji. Really, it's a great talk.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please show one more picture. I'll show one video now. I think you're not able to see that. Please wait. Please wait a minute. Can you see?
No, sir.
No, no.
Oh, wait, wait. Can you see it?
No, sir.
No,
No,
no, Suresh
it's
bhai. Just we start again. Start it again.
something. Okay, no issue. Please wait. Yeah. Can you see this?
Yes. Yes.
Sometimes people would really love to help you,
No,
but
I think
just
I am unable to see it. Just open. Okay.
Picture is not visible.
okay. Okay, please let me share it again. Now is it visible?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes people would really love to help you, but just because of your nature and behavior, they don't. Actually, they are ready to help you. Our behavior is okay. Somebody is okay. Somebody is in unmute. No issue. Okay, Pawnee ma'am. Pawnee ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Number 10, number 10, number 10, Sonakshi.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello,
Yeah.
everyone. Okay. Good evening. First of all, okay, about this image. Yes,
Yeah, yeah, please start.
yes, sir. First of all, good evening to all of you. And according to this image, sometimes just like this image indicate that sometimes some people have different behavior. Just like because of their behavior, the people not wanted to help the person because they are very rude in nature and also what I can say, but I think they are not understanding the feeling of other also. So when he or she in that situation, then the other person is also not want to help that person. Actually, sir, I don't know how to explain this image, but I think this is from my side.
Yeah, Sonakshi, really, it is good. You know, you have conveyed very well. You have really conveyed very well. That's what actually the matter. People are ready to help you, but our behavior and attitude is stopping actually. So that's the reason we should always be good. We should always be ready to take help from others. That's what the image shows. Really, you have conveyed your message very well, Sonakshi. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Yeah. Next, next I'm going to share one more picture here. Wait a minute, wait. Did you see it? Pavani ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, you can observe many things from the video. Pavani ma'am, please show one picture. Yeah, number one. Who is number one? Siddharth. Siddharth is number one. Do we have Siddharth? Yeah, Siddharth Singh. Siddhartha Singh, sir, please unmute your audio.
Yeah,
Yeah, sir, thank you very much. And I think you might have watched the video and you are allowed to speak for 1 minute. Sir, your time starts now.
first of all, thank you so much and good evening. By this video, we can understand what's the important of in the when you work as a group, when you work as a team. When you work as a team, so you can show your solidarity. If any problem comes, so you can manage. But if you are the alone, so it's become harmful. You maybe that is you cannot manage. So this, if you're talking about these videos, overall I understood about that you need to be work as a group, and we have to sir let it that I think I have done.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much for your presentation. And can anyone find out the another quality in that video? Can anyone?
Sir, can I speak on that video? Hi, I am Manisha.
Yeah,
Sir, can I speak?
Okay, ma'am. Just describe it in your ways in 30 seconds.
Okay. Sir, the video shows us that gives us message that you are united, unity can do the impossible work possible. It turns the impossible possible things into possible. So if you are alone, then you cannot defeat someone. And if you are in a group, then you can do the impossible things in a very easy way. So we should learn from this video that it is good to be in a group.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. It's really good. So, yeah, okay, Prakashji, you can leave. So, ma'am, okay, apart from that, really it's good, ma'am. I think Manisha, right? Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Right. Unity, you have spoken about unity. That's really good.
Could you add one point, Anna?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. I need one more point, one more important point.
Exactly, sir. I just want to interrupt over here. Neha Verma this side.
Yeah.
May I continue? Yeah. The very first thing that came into my mind by looking at that video is the proverb. That is really, very renowned proverb. That is, unity is the strength. Exactly. Unity is the strength. It doesn't mean we have only, physical strength. That persons should be available with us personally or physically. If we know we have networking, these persons are with me. So mentally, it's a peace that, yeah, I have this person. So whenever some setback or some bad time will come into my life, I have them.
Yeah.
And I know that, these persons are with me. Some quality of person, my surroundings are filled with this quality of persons. So definitely I can beat any of the setback, and yeah, I will definitely come out of my bad times.
Thank you. Great it is. Great it is, Neha, ma'am. Really, it's good. Good lines, good points we have added. And Mohsin, could you please explain something?
Actually, Anna, I want to say that one point: teamwork. They did teamwork. Actually, as well as the unity, and they did teamwork.
Yeah. Okay.
Want to say that?
I'll expect. Could anyone come up with another one? In that video.
One more thing is coming on mind. If you go fast, if you want to reach fast, you can go alone.
Yeah.
But if you want to go far,
yeah,
you should go together. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah, good. But I will show you the video again, please.
Exactly, sir. One thought just exactly, strike into my mind. Like just like these aunts, right? For us, it's like, what are they doing? Very little task they are doing, right? For us, that's nothing.
Yeah.
But that little task makes a
Yeah.
big thing one day. So similarly, if we have any goal, if we have any target, if we give a little amount of time, little amount of efforts to that
Yeah.
on daily basis, we will definitely beat that target,
That's
and
true.
we will
That's
get that.
that's true. That's true. But
Yeah.
you are
Hello,
distracting.
sir.
You are distracting the topic.
Yeah, I want to say one thing.
Who is that?
Hello, sir.
Who is that?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Could
Bhavni
you,
is there.
you know?
Yeah,
Sorry.
there is something point that I noted that start with yourself. Every many ants going to their own way, and there is only one ant which will wait for the fight with that pig, and then again all ant come with that ant,
Oh,
and then make its unity, and then they will fight.
thank you, ma'am.
So
Really, it's
yeah.
good. But you
I
know,
have a point here. This is Mohan Kumar.
yeah, sir.
I can say in one line, we should help, we should render our support those who are in need of it.
Yes.
That is what I could get
This is one point
from
very
my side.
related to my points. Just I will show you the video again. Please watch it carefully, and you are missing one important point there. Just watch it carefully.
Anna, I want to say that she might have some food.
Please, Mohsin, please watch it again, and definitely you can get one point, one important point from the picture, from the video. Please watch.
Everyone goes without.
Yeah, did you get that point?
Leader. One
Leadership.
leader
Yes,
handle the.
that's what we are missing.
Exactly.
Yes, you know.
Leadership.
Yes. Who is our leader now?
You are
You are.
leader.
No. Pradeep
And
brother.
our Pradeep brother, you are
Exactly.
Pradeep brother, you are the. We are here. Pradeep and you are Anna.
Yes.
Both are good.
He is
Both are
guiding
legends.
us without
You know, Suresh bhai, just I want to add point here because everybody has spoken every point. They have covered all the point. But what I am thinking, you can see in that video.
Pradeep bro, please unmute. Sorry, please unmute. I have muted you.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
Actually, I think everybody has spoken every point. What have they seen? They have covered. One point, what I am think that is missing. If we are united, so we can defeat anyone because you can see in that picture there is an animal, big animal, and one person, one ant cannot fight with them. That's why everybody just gather and just make a combination. They unite and they can defeat. So what I am thinking in this group also, if suppose I am trying to speak, so that is not going to help. And if all are combined here, so we can improve ourselves. Also, we can defeat anyone because our fear is speaking English in front of larger group of people, and we are doing here. So I think if we are unite, so we can defeat anyone. Means we can speak English as frequent as you
Yes.
wanted. So that is also a message there. Okay, so you
That's
can
what
proceed.
I have selected this video. And moreover, without leader, we cannot get sometimes we cannot get some good points, some good guidance, some good route actually. So the leader ant guided all the ants, and they successfully succeeded. That's what important point. Thank you very much, everyone. Everyone has come up with their own points and they have shared their views. And we have lot many pictures. Please wait. Some persons raise their hand, and you will get chance. Okay. I'm going to share my screen again. Wait a minute, it is being loaded. Please wait. can see now. You can watch it. Okay, I hope you watched it. I was able to observe Pradeep brother's expressions. I cannot express it in my words, but you know, this is really a good message. Okay, and we'll see who will get a turn to speak on that. Pawni ma'am? Yeah, actually, okay, just number 7. Number 7, Manisha and as well as Shubhangi. Manisha and first of all, Manisha, remaining people, please mute your audios, please. Manisha, you will be allowed to speak for 1 minute. Okay, try to convey your message in 1 minute. Thank you.
Sir, yeah, sir. What I could see in the video that a boy got an accident. A boy met with an accident. So the video it gives us message that we should never cross the road in a hurry. We should always be careful while crossing the road, and even if we should careful while crossing the road, but if we are driving, then also we should take care of, and we should not rush. We should not in a hurry. We should not
Take what speed?
yeah we should not drive drive in a hurry, and we should always take care and take care of others while driving.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Pawni ma'am, could you please give her feedback?
Good evening, ma'am. I don't know her name. I forgot.
Yeah, okay, no issue. Manisha.
Good evening, ma'am. You have really spoken very well, ma'am. And within 1 minute, we cannot speak.
Yeah, that's what actually mind gets blank. If you lack of content, and if you give some time, 1 minute, then my mind will get blank.
Yes, ma'am. It's spontaneous talking is talk is very difficult, and within 1 minute, just sir showed within seconds that video, and within seconds we cannot recollect at what we should speak, and that was very difficult, ma'am. And even though you have spoken very well, ma'am, and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you both people. Really, you're both are talking good. Thank you. And okay, let me take another turn. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
I think Suresh bhai, I think Subhangi has also to speak on this topic.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Yes, that's right. And we will show her another picture. No issue.
Okay.
Because we have lot many pictures.
Okay. Suresh bhai, can I speak only few seconds on this topic?
Yeah. You can.
No. Actually, when I was seeing this picture, actually I was just relating with our life, because when we are moving in our life, sometimes we get failure. So don't be fall from that failure. Just stand up and face that situation again. Because in this picture you can see a boy is just try to cross the road, but he got accident, just fell down. Again he gather himself and stand up again. So that is also related to our life. Suppose you are doing something, maybe you can fail. So don't so much distract, just build up yourself and just stand, and then you can cross road again. Means you can move forward in your life again. What I am getting from that video.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir, actually, I just also want to, say something about this video. The very first message that came to my,
Yeah.
Yeah.
What my intention is, we have only 10 minutes left.
Okay. All right, sir. Then I'll not speak.
That's what actually. Some people,
Okay.
they
Okay.
didn't
Okay.
even
Okay,
involve.
okay, okay.
No. No. Okay.
Sorry for interrupting you. So
Suresh bhai, you can skip number 2 because I have already spoken very much. That's why.
yeah, thank you. Thank you. And actually, Pawani ma'am also doesn't know that which number is she is going to take actually. So this picture I have already we have done with. And number 5. Let me show it again. You can see it. Okay. Can anyone read it out?
It doesn't matter what resources you have before you. If you can't use them, you will never succeed.
Yes, we have lot many sources. Here also in this picture we can see that. Okay, Pawani ma'am, please take any number.
Hello, sir. It's my turn.
Ah, yeah, Shubhangi, sorry, I forgot actually. Okay, please carry on.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, all. So, it picture is all related to my life also because in my life I have no any tuitions and all, but I can got a great knowledge from my teacher, and they will support me in only in only the lecture, and I will do better in that. But my friends have also the tuitions and many guides, but they can't do that more than me. So it will be all relatable to our life, that if we have anything good or bad, we should make it perfect, and then we can do anything good or anything better in that condition also. But in another condition, if we have more resources for the success, but if we don't have any knowledge, but then we can't do anything.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Shubhangi. I know your efforts. You are really consistent speaker in our group. You are really using all the sources we have, and sometimes you are creating your own sources. That's what I know about you, and really you are a great speaker. Thank you. No, this is, this is a journey, and just compare your speaking with the past 4 or 5 months audio. Definitely, you can find out a drastic change in your speaking, because I know, because you may not know your talent, but I know your talent because I'm still observing all the things from you guys. Thank you, Shubhangi sister. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, actually time is running out, so that I'm going to take another picture or video. I think, yeah. Okay, I'm going to share it. I think you can just watch it. This is really an interesting one. Please watch. Please watch the climax. The story never ends here. See here, see his attitude, his style. What is he doing? Just only one single finger or one single hand. Just wow. Okay, what you have to do, Pawani ma'am will call one person. He has to talk on the picture for 1 minute, and he has to relate this video to our English speaking. That's what most important here. You can observe even every picture is related to our English speaking. We can relate each and every picture, each and every video. That's what I have designed like this program design. And Pawani ma'am, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Show me any number. Number 9. 9, Kavita ma'am. Kavita ma'am. Kavita ma'am, are you there? Okay, I think we don't have her. Okay, no
Okay,
issue.
Suresh bhai, just pass to number 5. I
Yes.
think we have number
No,
8, number 5.
Yeah, I want to call the person who has not opened his mouth. Okay, Mohan sir, you can please, you can take your turn.
Good evening, all of you. And don't say that I haven't opened my mouth. And I was the one who shared that leadership was. And I was simply listening and wondering, you guys, all of you. And coming to the topic, and unity is the strength again. And it was just like Prometheus bound. Prometheus bound in the sense human life is a cycle, and if we are trying to roll a big rock up top to the mountain, and what happens when we reach the top, and we need the support of others too, and we need to decide what we are going to do after reaching that. If we don't do so, if we don't think so, the rock, whatever the effort that we have taken so far, will come down again. We need to pull that back to the top. So life will be in a continuous progress.
Yes, sir.
And in the regular progress, we are supposed to stop at certain point of time and think, and then we can return back to the routine life. That is what I have understood from the picture video. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Those are really great lines. And we know Mohan bro is a good speaker, because even I get any time, definitely I'll listen to your audios, because you are really, whenever I listen to your audio, definitely I learn something from you. That's what greatness you have. Thank you
for
very
your
much, bro.
appreciation too. And I think I need to make myself
yeah.
deserving for your words. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So now, just forget about numbers. I will show you one picture or video, and I'll call by name. Some people have not got the chance. I'll call by name. Please get ready.
Suresh bhai, only Salesh bhai and Sagar. There are 2 members.
Om brother is also there.
Vikas, me sir.
Okay, Vikas.
Yeah, Vikas bro, Ganesh bro, and
Yeah.
Om bro also there. Amit bro is also there. And Sagar has messaged me that he's not having particular location to speak on the topic, and just to please, he's continuously listening to her. That is also good habit. Okay, and please get ready, guys. I'm going to call you by your name. Sorry. Wait a minute, please. We have done with. Yeah, good it is, but I will show you. Oh, can you see this? Okay. Okay, see it again. Watch it carefully. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll ask Ganesh bro.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Try to convey your message in just 30 seconds. I know that this is very tough to convey our message in 30 seconds, but as time is running out, yes, you please start.
Yes, sir. This picture shows how our new generation is modern, and how our today's life becomes fast. So and so many people are wasting their time on the social media also. Actually, I didn't see what is the picture on that, but what I want to get in my mind, that is so many people are wasting their time. Actually, they are addicted to the social media more. So that is.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Really good. Good. You have really taken 30 seconds and you have conveyed your message very well. That's what a speaker required. Because a particular time is given, we have to convey the message in that particular time only. That's what shows our greatness. Thank you, Ganesh bro. Good. And just this is the last picture I'll show, and I'll ask one person to speak on that. The person who hasn't spoken so far, he has to give feedback. The person who has not got the chance, he has to give feedback. Okay, this is really good idea actually, because giving feedback is also great task, you know. Yeah, you cannot see that, but I'll share it again. Wow, just you can read out the lines also. Leadership is not about size, it is about knowledge and wisdom. We can see one small boy is there and big animal, but he is leading that. Okay, yeah, I'll ask one person. Amit bro. Amit bro.
Yes bro.
Yeah. Oh, Amit bro. Oh, I think you cannot take 30 seconds. I'll allow you to speak for 1 minute, and as well as you have to give feedback too. Actually, I did not recognize you. I thought of another Amit bro. Because you may not be silent for this time, you know. If you are
No, just I was just listening and actually see the first of all, good evening all of you, and I'm really, I appreciate the way you have been conducted. Means you have conducted this session, so I feel that the session is the really relish, and I enjoyed the lot. Now I have been assigned that particular task, which is nothing but the leadership. So the leader is not depend upon the size, right? It depends upon the knowledge, what knowledge you have. Ultimately, if you have the knowledge, you can do anything. You can overcome up the n number of attacks. Now the size is a big, so do not consider the size, your brain, I don't remember that, but our brain has the length, the entire planet, you can capture it, that the distance, what are the planet earth as a distance that our brain can. So number of stores, not only the English, you can learn the other too many languages. You should not, you should not worry about the English also. You can learn the Japanese, you can learn the German or any other language. So ultimately, let me come to that the particular feature, so that the guy, he's handling that the big the bull or something. Okay, so if you have such a capability, then you can do anything. Okay, for example, now see, there are the so many, I have an example. There is one particular guy, and he has the knowledge of everything. Okay, he is in a crorepati, who will become a crorepati, or kaun banega crorepati. And if you see his knowledge, right? So because of his knowledge, he reached there. So same way, if you have knowledge, you can reach anywhere. So ultimately, it depends upon the knowledge. Now knowledge, if it is a knowledge, then it doesn't come the overnight. Step by step, you'll have to acquire that particular knowledge. So the first thing that you'll have to gain something. So every day you'll have to read it, you'll have to acquire that knowledge in a certain, there are the from east, west, all the ways. Then only you will become a powerful, and then after that you can blast it. It ultimately the blast it. So that picture is showing that if you have the knowledge, then you can do anything. Okay, and it doesn't depend upon your
that's what you
are. Leader is not stopping.
Charming.
Okay,
1 minute is nothing for Amit bhai. Just give 10 minutes to Amit bhai.
That's what I didn't recognize. If he's because he cannot stop speaking actually.
Yes,
So he has a great propensity, and he can speak hours together. That's really a great talent he has. Thank you very much, Amit sir, Amit bro.
Okay, thank you.
Like that grew, bro.
Okay, and okay, thank you everyone. You have actively participated.
Thank you, Suresh bhai and Pawnee ma'am, for conducting such a nice session. I am really grateful to you, because you have find some time, and also you have given to this group. That is really amazing thing. So I am really just want to say thank you from my bottom of hearts. You both are such a nice person. At least you are giving some time to this group. That is really remarkable, and I have no word to say about you. So thank you again, Suresh bhai and Pawnee ma'am, for conducting this session. And also I want to say thank you to Amit Bhai. At least Amit Bhai joined this session, because I am missing so much Amit Bhai in my Zoom session at 9 p.m.
No,
because I am
no,
not.
no. It is. Yeah, I already told.
Yes, yes,
No,
you
no.
have
I'm
already
extremely so
told that.
sorry for that because I
Yes.
am so busy now these days. I have
You are
learning the
learning.
other technology like
Yes,
the
yes,
cloud computing. Okay,
yes,
so
yes,
I
yes.
don't wanted to skip or divert my mind. So that's why. But now I will be free. I guess after the 1 or 2 weeks, and then I will be joining this the Zoom meeting the regularly.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because it was my base. It was my base, and whatever the fluency I got it. Okay,
Yes.
because of this, because
Yes.
the last 7 months, whatever the practice or whatever the hard work I had to take, I have taken the hard work, and I got that the platform where I can say anything and I can explain. I can I express my thoughts. So I don't think no one will get such a platform. So I
Yes.
request to
Yes.
all of you guys, you can consider my example. Before 7 months I was not able to speak in English, but even here I can mold my language. I can mold it. I speak slowly. I speak fastly.
Yeah.
So because of this group, because of a Pradeep bro, because of a Suresh bro. So
I
it
can do anything,
depends upon you how you want to learn it, right? So only the one thing is that you have to speak, listen and speak. Then there is no any other way. There is no shortcut. But you'll have to do a practice because fluency will not come in a overnight. That's it.
Yes, that's it.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, because you have a reserved seat there, and that seat is waiting for you.
Yes,
That's what
you can take my example. Whoever joined this group, you take my example. See the videos before the 7 months, how I was speaking and now how I am speaking because of this platform.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
really, I'm so fortunate that I got this Pradeep bro, Devi bro, and all together. So I at least I could, what it was my resolution for the new year, and I feel that the 75% I have reached. I gain it, but still there are the 25%. So I don't want to. I want to be the 100%. I would love to give 100%. So whatever the 25% is remaining, I will fulfill in this year also.
Good. Thank you. You are well wished.
Thank you, Suresh bro and Pavani ma'am. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank Pawni, because as I was busy, I thought of disconnecting. But in no time, she accepted my proposal. Very no time. Please mute your videos, please. Your audios. In no time, actually, I asked, I need a support. I need one person support. And I thought of asking Amit bro or Pradeep bro is also ready. But I got an idea. Why don't I ask Pawni ma'am? So I called her and, Pawni ma'am, are you ready? Yes, she told, whatever the things you allotted to me, definitely I'll do. So, and she has written those numbers and she is ready. Actually, she is in home and I'm in another place. So, and but the platform virtually, so that we can meet everywhere. And many people do not know that she's my wife actually.
Yes,
Pawni is
actually,
my wife.
Suresh bhai, just I want to say that is definition of perfect partner, because she is
Yeah.
ready everywhere you want.
Yes, that's what we can. One thing, if I do not have any partner, I have always my life partner is my English speaking partner, so that I can have a great partner in developing my English speaking skills. Thank you very much, Pawni ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure. And don't say thanks, sir. I got a chance to listen some professional speakers' speeches. It's my pleasure. I have learned some new things from all these speakers. It's my pleasure, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pradeep, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. If anybody wants to give final words, you can please come up so that we will end the session soon. Yeah, Mohsin?
Suresh bro, I want to tell one thing. Every sessions concluded, finished only our KGF bro, like Suresh.
Pradeep bro, I think.
No,
Devi
sir.
bro, Devi bro.
Devi bro, sir. Devi bro, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So we give the chance to them, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anyhow, okay. Before going to Devi's presentation, if anybody wants to speak, please you can speak for just 2 to 3 lines. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm muting all one, please. Okay. Mohsin, You can unmute your yeah, Mohsin. Mohsin, do one thing, Mohsin. Please turn off your video so that we can listen to you. Yes, please carry on.
First of all, I convey my gratitude to you, Anna. I enjoyed today's session a lot. A minor second, not second, it is a microsecond. I didn't feel bored. I enjoyed a lot, Anna. I'm impressed. I enjoyed a lot. There are no words to say. I felt very happy, Anna.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pradeep Bhai. Thank you, Suresh, for Pawan Akka.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mohsin. Thank you. And you are also taking a great role in these days because you are also busy, I know. But you are making your time free and you are giving your efforts. Really great it is. I know as a policeman, I know this is not an easy thing, but you are really doing great. Thank you, Mohsin. Please put all your efforts and please support us. And okay. And okay, Devi bro. You
Yeah.
are,
So I just remember that you told Pavani ma'am accepted my proposal, and she had accepted long back. It's not now.
Great lines, great.
Yeah. So thanks to you guys, and it is a really wonderful session. And it is not an easy task, like collecting all these VLC players and put it on one folder and collecting all the images. You should put a lot of effort to this and thinking a lot, and you put together. Really, it was like a cherishing moment for us even. So we won't get anywhere if we paid. Also, we won't get this kind of task anywhere else. So that's why we are fortunate enough to attend this session, and even I need to thank Pradeep brother as well, because he was behind this course and he was there when the group has started, and he's continuously supporting in each and every task, and he's doing marketing as well, and he's pushing all the guys who was behind and they were not talking. So it is all group effort, and it is all showed today, and everyone is laughing, and even I am also laughing. That is like my ending note, and thank you all the guys.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Devi bro. Your words are really amazing. Yes, as you said, she long back accepted my proposal. That's what I am actually. So, as you said, sorry, as Amit bro said, Amit bro was different than these days. Even I also. My past life was different. Really, only she made me like this. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And okay, Pradeep bro, shall we wind up the session?
Yes, Suresh bhai, thank you again. Thank you,
Okay.
Pawnee ma'am.
Thank you all. If you want to give, okay, final words I want to say. If you give an audio message in our group, just drop an audio message. How you have felt with this group, with these activities, with this picture, with this video, so that the remaining people will get to know what is happening in our group. So besides speaking, we are doing some different kinds of activities, and Pradeep brother is looking for a good teacher. So at least the passive learners can understand what is happening and what was happened in the last night life. At least drop an audio message by tomorrow itself. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you, Suresh bhai. Thank you.
Thank you, Suresh bro, Pawnee ma'am. Thank you all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit sir. Thank you, Pradeep sir. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.